So welcome you all to this orientation session of SAW 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have designed this session to give overview of the whole workshop combos. I have already shared the brochure of these workshops that what we will be including in these 5 workshops. In fact, these 5 workshops have been designed very deeply and very a deep concern in me for the world that every personality should shine out to its best so that he or she may enjoy life to the best and he or she can contribute best towards its family, friends and this world at large. So with this very noble objective in this mind, I have listened to my inner calling and designed these exclusive workshops. So giving a brief introduction of myself, why I should be someone to give such deep exploration, your deep explanation of the thing like a holistic personality. I have been through life, explored so many things. I have done a PhD in finance. I have been teaching students, MBA students for so many years. I know them like what their heart calls for, what they want in their career, and we ourselves being through life, through all the stages. We know there are so many challenges in our personal lives, then aspirations. When your learning curve is complete at some point of time, you need to take a leap step towards your you want to go maybe somewhere. You have a calling that yes, you can switch over to new career. We have seen children or youth today, they are opting for entrepreneurship, they are opting for startups. So it's all about listening to our inner self, what we think we can be, and then what's personality is basically actualizing your natural self, that what's your potential, what you want to be or what your aspiration is, and what you are, and moving from where you are to where you want to be. And that's the self-actualization. If we achieve that thing in our life, won't we will be happy, won't we will be blissful, won't we think that our glass should be, bliss of our glass will be so full that it will be overflowing towards our family, to our friend. Our joy will be multiplied. We will be sharing it with our family. We'll be able to give, even contribute more towards our family. Our family is the next unit. Like say, there are so many classes. For example, if these are the classes of family, if we are overflowing, if this glass is overflowing, it will be filling all the cups of our family. Sometimes a person is so successful that we say that yes, इसने तो सातक पुश्ते पार कर दी. So why can't every child be like that? Then after the family, if we have that much that we can contribute to society also, we have listened to so many personalities, like they are giving so much, they are having so much that they don't mind giving it back to society. So that's we live in a life at 4 levels: our personal level, how we have grown to our own potential, then our family level, what we are able to contribute to our family. Why more family conflicts are there? Because someone is not able to give much to its family because he has not explored his own true self. He is not happy with himself. But how he will be able to give something to its family? At least happiness he should be able to share to his family. If he himself in a stage of stress or anxiety, do you feel his family or her family may be happy? Can we contribute to our children's personalities? No. So these workshops have been designed with a keeping age group in mind, so that it's a comprehensive workshop having everyone maybe benefited, starting from the age of teenage of 15 years to 25 years, when we are somewhere in a extreme stage of our, in a established state of our career. So if in that stage we have explored everything, we have explored like career issues, then family challenges. I shouldn't say issues, these are the challenges. Sometimes in our inner, there is more of the fight is with our own self only. Sometimes children are feeling nowadays so many things about like what I'm feeling from inside, why we are feeling so much stressed. So these need to be handled. So don't you think that there can be a life manual, so that we can understand what feeling is good, what feeling is bad for us. If you are doing something new, definitely your anxiety will be felt. Don't you think that anxiety is good? If you are not having any anxiety, little anxiety of doing something new, like I have to, if I am recording this first video of my course, maybe I will be feeling some anxiety initially, but it's a part of the growth also. So this thing, our youth must be knowing that some anxieties are good, some stress are good. You will perform better when there is stress, but this stress should not be negative. So there is so much to do in our individual level, so that we can contribute best to the family and the society. So everyone is a star. We shouldn't be like everyone. We are unique. No one likes me. It's not be that like because I am different. Because I am different, I should be a star. Because I am unique to myself. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 workshops have been designed to bring out that star inside you, make the diamond inside you shine so bright. There is a comfort. Everyone is in a certain stage of evolution. If I say I have these 5 workshops, this workshop 1 and 2 will be focusing on like if we are in a comfort zone. Comfort zone is a very beautiful thing where nothing grows. So every day we are doing the same things, we are very comfortable. It's not a life of growth. So we need to understand that we need to do something new, we need to explore something, so that we can reach that ultimate level of our potential. When we leave that comfort zone, obviously a little fear develops. That's called fear zone. And when we overcome that fear and we start doing the thing, little confidence start coming to us. We initially can feel there is a lack of confidence. So this workshop 1 will be focusing on the emotional intelligence, and then second workshop will be about with what emotional intelligence develops in us. Is a great kinesiology. If I'm not feeling great from inside, my body language cannot be great. And if my body language is not great, if my voice is not strong enough to put my words out in front of the people, my words will not be influencing. I will not be contributing much with my opinion. So personality development is basically a evolution process, starting from the your inner. You should be at peace with yourself. Emotional intelligence, it's a very vast subject. I have written a book also on that, so that will be extensively covered in workshop 1. Then workshop 3 and 4 will be bringing us to the learning zone of leadership, and this growth zone, success, and it will be creating a new zone, that is a new evolved self of ourselves. So are you ready to explore that evolved selves of yourselves? See, these workshops 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are creating a new zone of your evolved self, where you feel so much in bliss with yourself. So these 5 workshops have been designed in such a way that slowly covering each and every state of personality, we ultimately reach towards initial stage. Then it's when we feel little fear and anxiety. Then stage of learning, when we start learning something new. So we are in stage of learning, but obviously we will start building confidence slowly. Our body language will change. Then vitality, stage of vitality, when your body language changes, your word starts to influence other. Obviously you develop certain language proficiencies more. There are certain modulations in your voice. So we will be doing this in 3rd workshop. Then this 4th workshop, when you will be definitely being noticed for all your colors, because now there's something visible and starting growing in you, because now you feel you walk like a leader. Who's a leader? Whom people want to follow, whom people want to make a role model. So personality development is not complete unless until we become a leader in some one or other field. Leadership is basically you have got certain excellence or certain expertise in a particular area. That's everyone is capable of achieving. Everyone has that one single trait which can God-given trait, which can be polished enough to make him a leader and that particular trait. So when we will be shining so bright, it gives birth to our evolved self. We will be having a very healthy body and healthy mind. Relationship happiness will be there. We will be making important contributions to society. We will be experiencing abundance. Money is a byproduct of any evolved self. Because when you are evolved enough to reach to your maximum potential, definitely money will follow. Because it's said that chase success, money follows. Money chases success. Money is the byproduct of any success. Then personality SWOTs, in this last workshops we'll be doing the personality SWOTs, like what are strengths, weaknesses, opportunity threats for ourselves. Then what are the skills which we can further develop. So apart from these 5 workshops, I will be giving a total 1 year membership, because of course in these 5 weeks we can get to know about this whole a comprehensive system of developing a personality. But growing a plant takes some time. So I very genuinely feel that 1 year will be sufficient enough will be a hand holding to take you from this initial stage to this stage of evolved self. So I think this comprehensive workshop combos will be definitely doing great in personality development. And anyone who is interested, I think everyone must be interested in doing a comprehensive course because it helps in career, it helps in in any stage of life. If you are thinking you have taken a break from your career because of your marriage or any other reason, kids are there are some women due to kids that have taken a break from their career and couldn't rejoin. So if you are in any state of life where you feel like disconnected from your evolved self, that where you could be, you haven't been there, you should definitely join these workshops, and I promise you, I assure you that you will definitely evolve to a next level of your life. Thank you so much. Everyone out of you who is interested in these workshops can DM me on my Instagram account Anju Batla Arora, or you can comment me below. I'll be contacting you personally. Thank you so much.